Hello everyone, it's Lucretia Hayes and I have a short little message for you today. I've been getting a lot of questions about credit scores and interest rates. Listen, if you have a really high credit score, then you're going to have a lower interest rate when you borrow on your home or on your vehicle or on furniture if you're borrowing for that, or for school or whatever. If you have a really low credit score, you're going to have a really high interest rate. And so the difference in your credit score can be the difference in how much money you pay back, whether you pay back a couple of thousand more than you borrowed or whether you pay back tens of thousands more than you borrowed. And trust me, it may not seem like a lot when you're only borrowing $500 or whatever, but when you're borrowing thousands of dollars, when you're financing a home, you know, a 20% or 15% interest rate is really just extreme. It puts you in a place where your note is higher, your term is longer, and you don't want that. Ideally, the ideal loan is one with a short term and a low interest rate with no penalty for prepayment. Did you catch that? Make sure you rewind it if you need to hear it again, because it's important that you don't be so desperate to borrow. Give yourself time. Give yourself time to fix your credit, time to write the letters to the credit bureaus, time to hear back, time to pay off some different things before you jump into more debt, because also lenders look at how much debt you have versus how much income you have. And you can have paid everything on time, but if you have just too much debt, they're still going to stick you with a high interest rate, because there's always a chance that you're going to default, that all this debt is going to eventually hit you at a bad time. If you get sick, go in the hospital, can't work for a while, it's going to throw you behind, and you're already living paycheck to paycheck, and they may not get paid. So they're going to hit you with a high interest rate. So it's not just your credit score, but it's also your debt to income ratio. I hope this was informative for you. If you're interested in credit repair services, please contact me at lucretia.hayes@gmail.com. You can visit me online at lucretiahayes.com, and also my business at Lanico Enterprise. That's LANICOENTERPRISE.com. And you can also find me on Facebook. We have a business page there. It's facebook.com/Lanico Enterprise. Or you can find me facebook.com/Lucretia Hayes. I hope that you guys pay attention. It's important that you begin to take steps to rebuild your financial security, your future, a secure financial future. That's what I'm trying to say. You guys have a blessed day.